What's up, guys? This is Joe Sanches, your favorite realtor here in the Leander, Texas area. I'm here in the Bryson neighborhood, and this home right here is the Chesmar. It's actually the Barron model, and this is for a client of mine. It's right now for rent. I'm gonna give you a quick tour, and just excited to be here. So let's take a look. Again, guys, my name is Joe Sanches. This is the Barron home. It's a Chesmar home. And we're gonna take a quick tour here. Dun, dun, dun. Really like this open space layout. Very beautiful for entertaining. Check out this kitchen here. Very beautiful. Let's go take a look at the master bedroom. Very nice. I really like how this closet goes into the laundry room because it just makes things a lot more easy. Go from your main bedroom to your closet to having your clean clothes cleaned right here. All right, so basically 2 entrances to the master bedroom, which is great. Now let's take a look at the other bedrooms. Here's another bedroom. This is bedroom, let's call this bedroom number 2. Comes with its own bathroom, which is always great. Close this one. Call this bedroom number 3. There's a bathroom here shared by these 2 bedrooms. Bedroom number 4. And then you have your two-car garage. Last but not least, let's take a look at the backyard. Oh, that's nice. So you have a hookup back here for your grill. It's a natural gas hookup. Fantastic, it's built in. So if you like grilling, perfect. It's a little wet today. It's winter in Texas, or at least here in the Austin, Texas area. And yeah, so this home's about a year old. It's the Barron model for Chesmar, and it's right here in the Bryson community, which is a very sought after community in the Leander area. You got quick access to Highway 183 and other places to get to destinations quickly. Some places in Leander tend to be just deep into Leander, which makes it sometimes difficult to get out of here. But this is prime real estate, guys.